Hi, my name is Malachi Kelly and I've been trading for over 10 years now. Let me show you how investing really works. Okay, so here's a snapshot of my share dealing account. This is not to be confused with a CFD or spread betting account. This is a pure and simple, good old-fashioned buying and selling shares in companies. This is how the 1% get rich. The mix average is the 30 stocks that I've handpicked to perform well over the next 10 years. MIX stands for Malachi's Independent Collection of Stocks, or MI for short, the Malachi Index. I've broken the mix into 7 sectors: pharmaceuticals, technology, banks and funds, automotive, consumer, and finally, nice to have. This group has stock in it with very high prices. It ranges from $1,500 per share to $8,000 per share for the gambling giant Paddy Power. By owning stocks across different sectors, your portfolio can ride out poor times in tech if pharmaceuticals are doing well. People will always need drugs. As the rich get richer, the luxury car market is booming. Here's a sneak peek of my automotive basket: Rolls-Royce, Tesla, Ferrari, and BMW. These companies have proved over the years that they are good, sound companies with talented management and will be around for many years to come. Even if somebody invents flying cars, I'm sure I'd want a BMW version, just like I want the BMW in the mini SUV range. For the real high flyers, no pun intended, a flying Ferrari would be at the top of a rich person's wish list. I was just having a bit of fun, but the main point is these businesses can adapt with the times and thrive or go bust. If a company in your portfolio were to go bust after 30 years, you would lose 1/30th of your investment. You would lose £86,000 from your £2.6 million investment pot. The rest of your portfolio only needs to increase by 4% to cover your losses. Currently, I own 2 shares in BMW, but I'll increase my holdings until I retire in 17 years. Say for the next 17 years, I buy 30 shares per year in BMW. By the year 2034, I'd own 510 shares in BMW. For this example, let's say the price is the same as it is today. There has been ups and downs, but the price has come back to the same level. BMW pay a 4.298% dividend yield on the current price of $81.05, which would be £3.48 dividend payment per share. That's £1,774.80, as I have 510 shares in BMW. That's every year. Imagine your investment over time, which continues to grow, pays you on average £40,000 per year. And the best bit is, of the 510 shares that I hold, I would have bought about 300 shares with my own monthly investment capital, but the rest was bought from yearly dividends, meaning that the longer you hold, the better your return. I could then sell my stock at the market price and get back my investment, the principal, plus the previous year's dividend which I reinvested over the years, further increasing the return on investment. Remember, when the company has a good year, you get increased dividend payments. When the company has a bad year, you can buy more stock at a reduced price. Let's say the stock market had 3 bumper years in a row. At the end of each year, you would be able to vastly increase your holdings with the yearly dividends that you're paid each year. This is how you let your money work for you. Now you know how investing works, I've got some bad news. Although this strategy of investing works regardless of when you buy, if you can buy at the right time, your investments will grow much quicker. Get lifetime access to the VIP Investors Club right now and start investing in your future today. You will receive the full list of 30 stocks in the mics, instant access to the Advanced Investors course. This will show you how to spot winners and losers and how to make sure your investments increase in value. You'll also get access to a weekly Q&A webinar hosted by myself, where we will discuss entry points and buying levels, plus analysis on all the 30 stocks in the mics in detail, plus my super special bonus. Hit the buy now button to join the VIP Investors Club. I'll see you on the inside. You still here? You'll never see this price again. In fact, I'm limiting it to just the next 5 sales. On average, 30 people are watching this video at the same time as you. If 5 of them buy right now, the price for you will go up to £197. Invest in your future today and join the VIP Investors Club before it's too late. You may still be able to get the 50% off. Hit the buy button now. Investing is easy, but you can vastly improve your earnings by buying at the right time. As we are going to hold the stock for a long time, if the price goes down after the purchase, it will inevitably come back over time to higher levels than your initial investment. But let's say you start investing and just buy each of the 30 stocks in any order. You would end up with less overall than somebody who is a member of the VIP Investors Club, as they will be provided with analysis on all their holdings on a regular basis to ensure that we all buy when the stock is at or below fair value. Think of the stock price as an elastic band. When prices rise, it stretches until it can't stretch anymore, then springs back to the norm. The VIP investors will always buy when the price has sprung back to the norm. Fair value. This follows the single most important principle of trading. Buy when the price is low, which ensures we make great returns in the market. Click the buy now button below and join the hottest investor circle on the internet. I'll see you on the inside.